I get asked this question a lot. How do I grow a big network on LinkedIn? That term is not important to me, but what is important to me is growing my LinkedIn network in a meaningful way. Let me share with you some high-level ideas about how you can grow your LinkedIn network in a meaningful way. First of all, you need to start where you are. If you're just getting started on LinkedIn and you don't have a lot of connections, start where you are. I recommend that you look through your contact list, look through your cell phone contact list, or however you keep track of your people that you know, your friends, your family, your kids, your brother, your sister, your aunt, your uncle, that neighbor down the street, that guy you meet at the bar every now and then, your barista, your grocery store manager, your barber. Start where you are, your minister, people in your church, people in your youth group, people in your Rotary. Connect with all of those people, and don't rapidly connect with them all in one night. Just keep reaching out and connect with people who you know today. Now, a lot of people go, why? They're not my clients. That may be the case, but they may know people that you need to know. And when you connect with those people, you will get to see the people they know. Randy Wooden is a good friend of mine. I mean, and if I wasn't already had a business going on with Randy, my Wednesday show, I'm going to look at his connections. He's got 5,000 some odd connections, and I'm going to look at who he knows that I don't yet know, and they could be people I need to know. And then I'll ask Randy to introduce me to them. Start where you are, connecting with people you already know. And keep growing that as much as you can, and before you start trying to connect with people you don't yet know. Now, that's step one. By the way, these are overlapping processes. You start working on phase one, connecting with people you already know, and while you're continuing to do that, because you can't connect to them all up front, you don't want to anyway, because as you connect, you need to engage. As you connect, you need to be willing to get into conversations. Then you start working on step two. Step two is knowing clearly who is it that you want to connect with relevant to your business, your career, your community, people you're interested in, and you look for those people. An example, if Randy is one of those people you want to meet, look, I have over almost, 1,356 mutual connections with Randy. If I wasn't already connected with him, it would be easy for me to connect with him. I would reach out to one of the people I know who knows Randy and ask for an introduction. That is the step you do instead of sending Randy an invite and hoping and praying he accepts. So the step two is start thinking about who are the people you want to meet, and you start asking for introductions. Again, this is a continual process. You keep doing this at the rate that you want to do it, the rate you can sustain. It might be 1 or 2 people a day, might be 2 or 3 people a week, whatever is important to you. But you start asking for introductions. Now here's step 3. We've got the connect with people we already know. We've got the ask for introductions for people that we want to meet. Then the next thing you do is, again, these are overlapping processes, is you continue to connect with people that you meet along the way. You meet somebody at an event, you meet somebody at a networking event, someone sends you an email and they copy someone else on the email message, and you're already connected with the person that sent you the email. You send an invite to the person that was copied on the email. You continuously keep connecting with people whom you meet along the way. This is how you grow a meaningful and relevant LinkedIn network. The worst thing to do is just send out a bunch of invites and hope and pray that a bunch of people will connect. The best thing to do is connect with people you know, get introduced to people you want to know, and connect with people whom you meet along the way. It's a journey, not a race. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn and Sales Navigator strategist, trainer, and coach, and I hope this is helpful for you.